Before I go, there is one thing I'd like. Do you have a recent case? A case, say, in the last year or two that might be of interest public, the feature story along with the article. Something a little, with a lot of excitement. You know how it's all right.
Well, this dance hall racket might interest you.
Dance hall racket.
Long story. If you've got the time, I can...
Well, I've got the time. Can I hear the story?
Helen, bring me in the dance hall racket. Racket might interest you.
Something a little, with a lot of excitement. Some story. Thanks a lot for the story, Inspector. I'm sure we got enough.
Blood will turn white. Your face will turn green. Your eyeballs will pop with pressure. Because our doomsday shows the living. For your strength, you're gonna need an awful lot. When you see our shocker pictures, so terrifying.
Good morning! Good morning. Good morning. It's Thursday.
I mean, you are aware Catus of this month, which technically isn't human. You know, I'd let you
What?
go on notice.
Hi, everybody. Welcome in Blueberry. Welcome in Carnan. Welcome in Sibo. Welcome in Weaver. Welcome in Lude. Welcome in Nightvale. Welcome in Worm. Hi, Worm. Hi, Sibo. Hi, guys. Hi, Rena. Hi, Jaded. What's up, you guys? Welcome in. Hi, Pickled. Hi, guys. It's good to see you. Oh, my God. It's so good to see you. All right. How we doing? Everything should be working. I don't know why. The fish occasionally disconnects. I don't know why. Hi, Jaded! Good until I walk in. The potty don't start. The pinball don't start till I walk in. Yeah. Yeah. I did just raise the price as well. I almost forgot. I almost forgot to raise the price on that guy. Oh, hey, that's me. I got a little coffee here. I just had some dinner. I'm ready to play this game. I don't think I'm gonna yap. I have some stuff to yap about, to be honest. And there's a video I want to watch with you guys really bad. So I'm gonna get that up at some point. Let me actually write it down. What's for dinner? Oh wait, hold on. I was about to change scenes, but I realized my tracking just isn't plugged in. Hold on. 1 second. You kind of need that for VTubing. I had mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Ugh. Come on, iPhone. iPhone Connect. Shit! There we go. All right. Let me put my hair back. Oh, I have so much hair. I've been growing my hair out for TwitchCon, so it's all nice and flowy. All right, me cord. Literally, Carnan, every single time I either make mac and cheese or I eat mac and cheese or they're like, there's something mac and cheese related, it's just like, oh, that's like Carnan. Oh, just like Carnan. Okay. How y'all doing? Welcome in, goobers. I know like everybody's streaming right now, so the audience is a bit thinly stretched out at the moment, which I understand. All of the streamers are streaming right now. My brand, mac and cheese. Okay, my tracking should be good. Okay, cool. We're here. We're real. I need my hands. I promise I was prepared. I really do promise. I promise. Okay. The audience is a bit slim, and that's okay. All right, do that. Skinny legend. Stretched out like those stretch toys, like those goddamn hand things. What? Oh my God! Clay! Clay, what the hell are you doing here? Oh, like Stretch Armstrong. Holy shit, true. Woo! Hi! Hello! Hi! I'm gonna be 3D for chatting today, and then we're gonna switch to the other model later. We're gonna switch. Well, later when we play the game. Me when I forgot I have Twitch. Oh my God! Good morning. Welcome in. How you been? I feel like it's been literally ages. Oh my God! How we doing, gang? Gang. All right. Oh, okay. First of all, me when you Hulk out. Okay, things I wanted to talk about today. The lovely individuals behind K-pop Demon Hunters, like the voice actors and singers, they performed live on Jimmy Fallon last night. I think it was last night, and I've only seen a clip of their performance, but holy shit, did it sounded amazing. These girls, I swear to God, I'm like, please just start a K-pop band already. Please just be real. Please just be, I know they are real, but you know what I mean. This one, there's another one I want to talk about. This one's short. It's more of like a heads up. There is a Glitch Direct tomorrow. Bing bong. If you guys know what Glitch is, or who Glitch is, I should say, they are the creators behind Digital Circus, Gasoline Alley, whatever that one is called, the recent one, COG. So there's like a direct. They're doing like a direct. I'm just saying, if they announce Silk Song news, that'd be crazy. But that's happening tomorrow at like noon, so that'll be neat. I really don't know what that entails. Gaslight the streamer! Exclamation gas. Yes. Anyway, Silk Song. I know, right? I'm so excited. I'm so excited for.
I farted gas in this room. It is full of fart gas.
It is full of fart gas. I'm so excited to play this game today, guys. I don't know how much I'm gonna be yapping because I kind of want to get into it. I mean, we'll have a good little yap. I really want to watch that Jimmy Fallon clip of the K-pop Demon Hunters singing live because holy shit, I love them. I love those girls. Yeah, but I'm so excited to play this game. I'm literally going into it like super blind. I don't think I've really seen much gameplay at all. Like, when did I see, who did I watch play this? When it like had a demo? I think it was Buff Pup. I think I watched Buff Pup play this game like very briefly and I didn't know what was going on. And then I was like, oh wait, this game looks sick as fuck. It's not even out yet. So imagine Glitch announcing it. That would be, I feel like Glitch would do something funny like that though. Like a little prank. Silk Song tomorrow! Yes! Yes! Oh my god. But it's so good to see everybody. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday. Guys, literally 1 week from now, exactly 1 week, I will be in San Diego. I would have just gotten off the flight at this time 1 week from now. Ooh! I'm nervous. I'm getting like the nerves. I don't think it's hit me yet. The fact that it's like, just a week away. It has not hit me yet, bro. I'm just like, I'm staring at my suitcase like, what do I do with that? What do I do with all that? What's all this for? I don't know. Oh, it's gonna be great though. But I hope everyone's doing good. Hope we're doing slice, doing great. Did anyone do anything fun this week? So I know it's like, I only saw you like 2 days ago, but work's been pretty good for me. I got to work today. There's fucking nobody there. Nobody was there. I was like, yes, this is gonna be the chillest day ever. And it was. It was great. Even though I took my lunch a little late because I left work early. It was great. It was fantastic. But yeah, Silk Song. I actually haven't even seen much Silk Song yet. Now that I think about it, I haven't played it. I haven't played it yet. And I don't know when or if I ever will, but maybe I'll watch someone play it because I've only seen like bare minimum. I've seen the bare minimum, which I guess is kind of good. I guess it's kind of good. Excuse me. I tried a new restaurant today. It was so yummy. I'm about to eat my leftovers. I ordered boneless. I love boneless wings! Yeah! I got extra because they were 50 cents today. Wait, do they do their like Wing Wednesday deal on a Thursday? Wait, that's weird. That's like not right. Oh, 50-cent wings, bro. And boneless. Ah! Okay, a place that I go to often with Dylan is normally, they normally do the same thing, but I don't know what the deal is. I just know they're cheap as hell. Yeah, it was unlimited. Unlimited! Unlimited 50. Oh! Ah! Damn it. Now I'm getting, yeah, alternate me too. I'm like, damn, I just had dinner and I want wings again. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. Boneless wings are fucking banger, okay? Boneless wings are banger. People are like, oh, they're not real wings, they're just chicken. Who cares? Are you the chicken police? Who cares? If it's good, I'm gonna eat it. It's less work. If you want to gnaw on a chicken bone, that's your business, okay? Not mine. If I had more money, I would have gotten more for tomorrow. Dude, leftovers are so good. I find boneless wings are even better the day after because then all the sauce gets kind of soaked in. That's what I had today. I actually ordered, me and Dylan went out yesterday, just me and him, and we ordered a bunch of wings and I had a bunch of leftovers and I'm like, yes, I can take them to work. So here's a cool thing that the wing place at my place does though. Every month they have a brand new, they have 2 brand new wings of the month is what they're called. Hi, Leo, welcome in. Hey, thank you for the crawlers as always. How you doing? We're talking about chicken. Wings all kind of banger. I prefer bone in. Me too. I like a good bone in, but like I like them. I like a lot of them. I like them both. I've Effort and I can't eat bone in wings. Oh yeah. No, valid. Oh yeah, so the place I go to, they have 2 special wing flavors every month. Last month's wings were dog. They were so garbage. I don't remember one of the flavors, but one of them was just like, oh, what was it? It was like something street corn. It was like sweet corn, whatever. And it looked, what was it? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, welcome, welcome in. It was so bad, even Dylan remembers the name. Kai! Almost 2 years!
23 months. Let's get spooky up in here.
Yeah, Kai, welcome in. It's so good to see you. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome in, gamer. How you doing? We're talking about chicken. Thank you so much for the resub. I appreciate it very much. Enjoy your emotes and ad-free viewing and all that good shit. Oh, shit. Okay. After my wing story, I'll tell you guys something else I got going on. Almost 2! Almost 2! Kai, how you doing? Can we give a shout out for Kai? Kai's so freaking cool. So anyway, Mexican street corn was one of the ones from last month. And my friends went without us one day because we couldn't make it. Wait, you were also playing the... You were also playing the... Oh! I'm excited to play this game. Anyway, my friends went to get this Mexican street corn flavored chicken. And they took a picture of how... Okay, so in the advertisement, both wings are fully sauced up. The corn one's got corn bits on it. Sure, you know, Bob's your uncle. The fucking picture they took of their wings was this sad little, like, spurts of sauce with, like, 5 niblets of corn, and the rest of their wings were just dry. It was so comical. I was like, no way. Bro, this is false advertising. This is awful. Anyway, it was not good. It was not good. It was not a good flavor of hot wing or whatever, chicken wing. And then we went back again the same month, last month in September. We went back. We're like, okay, it can't be that bad twice in a row. It wasn't that bad, but it still was not good. I want to cry. I'm about to play. I haven't yet. Oh, okay. You're just getting. You're like. You get ahead like I do. Oh, I already did that, baby. I already got the ones up here. Thank you.
Oh, all of them?
I did the bathroom in here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, Kai, I'm so excited. I've been like waiting to play this game. I've seen like nothing of it. So I'm excited. And I know Toast, I was talking to Golden Toast and she was like, I'm so excited to, I think if anything, I'm excited to start playing it just so I can like actually start getting memes and like understanding things. Cause it's like a pretty big media game. I'm vibing with iced coffee, trying to decide whether I should draw my gay people or my lesbians kissing. Oh, the choices, the choices. I love that. I like to log in to fight the anxiety. Whoa. Spicy! Skinny! What's up, brother? Hey, it's that game that one guy. Okay, listen. Listen, for some reason, Toast is thirsting over the intruder guy, and it's really funny. I don't see it, but I'm not one to judge, so. Skelly! How you doing, Spicy? Oh, I know what Toast is. Yeah. Toast probably saved your video on Blue Sky. It's funny, you posted that, Skelly. You posted that today. You're like, I know what you are. And I'm like, I bet that's Toast. I'm assuming. I don't know if it is, but I'm just straight up assuming. I was talking about chicken wings. Welcome in. Guys, go follow Spicy. He's been doing some voice act work for this goddamn game. Not like legitimately, but like fan voice service. It's so cool. It's so fucking cool. I love seeing people do that shit. I will try and do voices today. Can't guarantee they'll be good. I saw a bit of the demo and I realized it was a demo. Me too. I was saying, I watched Buff play this game like months ago and I was like, what is this game? I want to play it. And then it came out. I thirst over the fan arts of this game. Yes. That's what I'm excited for, dude. Got an updated version. Wait, you got a new, you redid it? We'll have to see it. Yes. Anyway, so continuing with the awful corn chicken story. We went back a second time to hopefully get better corn chicken. The flavor was Mexican street corn. And it was not that bad. It was much more sauced, but it was still pretty bad in terms of the advertising that they did for this. Anyways, let's skip to this month. Their flavors are sour cream and onion and maple syrup soy. Sounds really good. Last night, me and Dylan tried the sour cream and onion wings, and they were actually banger. They were really good. I still want to try the maple syrup soy ones, because those also sounded really good, but, you know, we didn't want to get too many wings. So they were really good. We brought some home. And that was my chicken story. But yeah, the Mexican street corn was terrible. I honestly wish I had a picture of it still. I mean, I think I do. I think I do have a picture of it, but it's not on my computer. It's on my Snapchat with all my friends. Hold on, let me see if I can at least save it and show you guys later. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna save it right now on my phone, and then I'm gonna put it in the stream discussion without context in the Discord. Let me just scroll and find this, because it's so bad. I need to show you guys how bad this fucking corn was. This corn chicken. I think it's saved in here. Hold on. We were all screaming about it. It was so funny. But Spicy, how are you doing, good sir? I don't normally see you at this time of the day. It's good to see you, sir. My good sir. Damn, now I know, I was like, I just ate dinner and I'm also hungry. The hand control, I know. You can see like, it's upside down, but you can also see my finger. Oh, it's really funny. La la la. Me on my iPhone. It's not my iPhone, it's my Samsung. Okay, oh my god, there's so many words in this Snapchat group. Okay, we're getting to the saved parts. Hold on. Oh, this is old. Shit. Where is it? Oh, did we not save it? That would be really stinky if we didn't. I just need to show you guys how bad this corn... Let me show you how bad this was. Where am I? September? Was it September? No, maybe it was August. Shit. Or maybe the corn just... You know what? It might have been so bad that nobody saved it. And that's okay. I'm gonna keep checking. No, I'm in June now. I'm in June. What the hell? Come on, it has to be here. It has to be. We were all crying about this damn corn. Cream corn. I don't think it's here. That's alright. No corn for the Discord. Oh well. I tried. Hi, Banana! Welcome in! Check my memories. I didn't take the photo. That's the thing. I didn't take the photo, so I couldn't save it. Do you know where we would have that picture of that fuck ass chicken corn anywhere?
Our friends across the street might have a photo still.
Because I just checked the Snapchat and it's not saved in there. Hi, Cheeto! I mean, you probably just saw me in Rune's chat. That's why. Because I'm often there. I'm often in my friends' chats. Dive into the Mind Palace. Yeah, I'm just gonna project it to like y'all's brainwaves. You ready? I'm just imagine the driest chicken nugget you've ever seen with like 3 pieces of corn on it. Banana, how you doing? It's been good to see you. It's been a hot minute. All right. What else? Make sure you all get your fish in.
You want another funny corn story? On the topic of funny corn?
Another funny corn.
Can you tell the anecdote of when we went for sushi, the sushi boat for the first time? There was that one corn sushi I kept.
Oh, that's okay. It's always just like the weirdest stories involving corn. It's pretty good.
Corn's kind of weird.
Corn is kind of weird.
Corn can be food, corn can be fuel.
Fuel?
Like car fuel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
You can make synthetic fuels out of corn.
Cornmobile. Are you lying?
He said.
No!
We're doing it live, folks!
No! I was literally just talking about this last stream.
Okay, Sid.
What?
Synthetic corn fuel. Do you think that's a real thing? Or do you think I'm making shit up?
I know you can do that with like vegetable. I'm gonna say I'm gonna say yar.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, what's the confidence rating on that?
I've heard of like stuff being made like into gas before. I'm gonna say like 70%.
70% corn ethanol is a real thing. It's made out of It's been used since 2001, so it's not a new technology.
You guys see what I mean? He does this shit to me all the time. It's like my own little personal hell.
I'll leave you alone now.
Thank you. I for real fell for it. I'm gonna be so upset right. Oh my god. Socrates, welcome in as well. I love that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We're the werecat for Halloween. We had the moon come up and I transformed. I don't know how I'm gonna go back to using the normal Sunny, to be honest, you guys. I love this model, like the extension so much, because if I go back to the main model, there's like nothing here. It's so weird. Ah! It's so different. Simply use it year round. Yeah, I'm just gonna rebrand and do a full-time furry. Nah, I'll make it a toggle. You guys can like, or you know what I could do? Not to like, you know, to take some inspiration, I could do it on full moon days. So if there's a full moon, I can just pull out this model for fun. That could be cool. Oh, yeah, Buff Pup does that. Funny enough, guys, if you don't know the VTuber Buff Pup, she's my Oshi. She's one of my Oshis. Buff Pup uses at least, she has one model, I think two at this point. Hi, Shanala! Hi! Buff has different versions of her models for each week of the moon phase, and it's really cool. Yeah, I was just kind of explaining that's the inspiration behind it. Shanala, what's up? How you doing? Can we get a big shout out for Shanala? Shanala's so cool. How you doing, Shanala? Ow! Ow! A what? Peak. Yes, Buff Pup's models are insane. They're freaking sweet. Awoo! And we got a brand new awoo command. All right, let's watch a video. Let's watch a video first. I want to watch a K-pop Demon Hunters video, and then we're gonna play the game. I love. Is it done, Shanola? Is Buff Puff's fursuit done? Because I saw the work in progress pics of the bodysuit and shit. Is it done? I need to. I know she's gonna be wearing that shit at TwitchCon, and I want to see it so bad. I need to see that. I want to see it. Okay. So, if you didn't know, the K-pop Demon Hunter girlies were on Jimmy Fallon. I think it was last night. And they performed Golden live, and I need to watch the full thing. She had one a little while ago. I think it's a brand new one. I think, because I saw the bodysuit, like her full suit, the full fursuit. And then I saw someone else working on the new head. So it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be cool. Yo, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I keep followers anonymous just for safety and lurker reasons. So if you want to say hi, feel free. But if not, that's okay. Welcome in. It was so good. Okay. Before, I know I said I wasn't gonna yap because I want to get playing this game real bad. So let's go on over here. And then we're gonna watch the K-pop Demon Hunter performance. And then we'll play some game. Also, I'm gonna switch them into a different model just for this game today. Is that what we do? But it being, oh, I have to do pinball as well. Maybe I'll do that really quickly right now. Look at you all. Look at all this. Look at all these. Who's Italian? Who is that? Someone's Italian. Okay. Pinball. Pinball. I will never forget. But I hope I see Buff Pup walking around TwitchCon. That'd be cool. It's not Blanc. Blanc has a custom model. It's somebody else. I sent you a, oh, okay. It might be the same post I saw. Oh, that one! Wait, is that the new one? That's the old one! Or is she getting two? Because that's from 2014. Dude, how many fursuits does she have? Wait, that's the other one, because I saw a different one. Oh my god, is she getting like another one? I'm so excited though. I'm so excited. The quality of work, that's from last year. I remember seeing that one. Oh my god. Dude, these artists. These artists are insane. I can't wait to see it! Wasn't she getting 3? I think so! Also, welcome in, Spelling. Because I saw a work in progress of her bodysuit in my Discord, which looked brand new, and then I saw a head being made that she reposted herself of like a hyper-realistic werewolf head. So that's gonna be sick. My main goal is to blow up and then buy them. Literally. When I win the lottery and gain an expensive amount of money, there will be signs. And that will be one of them. Buff puffs. Get 3 alone is. Yeah, exactly. Also, it's pup. Buff like strong. Buff pup. Hey Z, what's up? Welcome in. Thank you. I love them. I love them because I can do my own like slate, slate. I need Voxid to fix one of them though. As you can see, this hand, I don't know why, but I think that it didn't get complete with some of the, I got like lock. This is my lock picking hand. This is my slay hand. Welcome in. All right, I'm playing some pinball because someone redeemed it, and then we're gonna watch K-pop Demon Hunters live. Who is that? Thank you for the clip. Oh, welcome in. I hope you're doing good. Ooh. Ooh. Ah! Didn't overreact. We're good. We're good. I'm so nervous for TwitchCon though. I'm only going for the day. Like, I'm going, my TwitchCon day, like being there at the con is Saturday. And I'm like, I want to see so many people, and I'm like, I know I'm gonna miss people, dude. But I will be in San Diego for 5 days, so I'm like, ooh. So we'll see. Damn! Actually, we're gonna get a better score than I did on Tuesday. Oh. Come on! Oh, guys, Spotify Wrapped is gonna come out in a few months. Is it next month already? Oh, I don't want to think about November. I really don't. It's too close to Christmas, dude. Too close. I don't even know what I'm doing. Actually, I might go on a vacation. Something came up in the group chat a few weeks ago, and we might go to the US again. That's an option, though, so we'll see. We will see. Ah! I can hear her. Don't, shh, don't say that. Shh. No! Why is it hot and fall? Is it hot for you still? It was frosty this morning. I drove into work today. Frost everywhere. There was cold fog everywhere as well. Don't say it. Don't say thy who shall not be named. Another oh, you're moving across the country? What? What? Wait, Kai, that's huge. Oh my god, I wish you the best. I wish you the best. Holy shit. That is big stuff. That is big stuff, but I hope it means good things. You know? You know? Damn! No! No! Oh man, I live in Arizona. So, oh, Arizona? Oh yeah. My grandparents usually go there every year in the winter because, like, it's gonna be nice. Oh. It's, I live in Canada. Wait, did I lose? I guess I did. I didn't even realize that was the last ball. I live in Canada, so oftentimes we have really short and stinky falls or autumns. But this year it's actually like happening. Normally, well, not normally, but like occasionally with each year, it'll be like, oh, summertime, the fall, winter. Sorry, the leaves don't even get a chance to fall off the trees. Winter, snow. It is, I'm dying. Guys, I wish I could push all the cold weather into you. Is that how you guys feel right now? Is that what you guys look like? That's what I'm envisioning you. All right, let's watch a video really quickly. I need to watch K-pop Demon Hunters live. I need to see it. I'm so excited. I love these girls so much. Computer, bring up YouTube. Yeah, I've been working real hard on it. I'm moving to Nevada. Very excited to be able to get more. Oh, that's huge. Hey, that is exciting. Also, you guys, in case you weren't in the Discord or you missed it, there's a new Nukes video happening on Sunday. I'm so excited. Okay. K-pop Demon Hunters Jimmy Fallon. Oh, also, I didn't announce it yet in Discord because I kind of forgot. I did change the, I changed the event time, but I didn't actually tell anybody because I'm silly. Sunday stream will be starting at like noon my time. It's going to be really early, like 4 hours earlier than the norm, which will be about 2 p.m. EST. So that's when Sunday's gonna happen. I know. That's the only time I can do it because fun fact, Canadian Thanksgiving is this weekend. Okay. This video. Yeah, this one. Ah! I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Yuppers. Spooky monsters! All right, I'm gonna do Spooky's monsters, and then we'll do K-pop Demon Hunters. At Sharksided to be assigned a spooky monster. Ookie spooky. Hi, puppers! Welcome in! As my YouTube dies. There we go. Also, K-pop Demon Hunters hit platinum. Their songs hit platinum, dude. I'm so happy for them. I am so happy for them. They've gone platinum. It's fucking insane. Sorry, that was just me putting Golden on repeat on Spotify. You're welcome. Okay, spooky monsters. Let me just get my YouTube ready here. Jimmy Fallon. I don't really like Jimmy Fallon, but whatever. Whatever, bro. Let me get my quality to 1080p. Okay. All right, spooky monsters you guys want, and you guys shall get. Let's see. Poppers, how you doing? Also, Subdol, welcome in. Subble. I swear to God, I say your name different every single time you come in here, and it's not on purpose. But I do hope you're doing good. Puppers, you too. Okay, Karnan. If my tracking wants to work here. Karnan, you are a sea monster. Loon, you are. I don't know spooky monsters. Like I know like there's names of creatures. Any kind will do. Okay, Loon, you're a giant bear. Sibo, you are the swamp thing. Nickname, you're a giant bat. Puppers, you're a werepup, but like just a little guy, you know. Pickled, you're a duende, little goblin. Socrates, you are you're a ghoul, a haunting ghoul. Kai, you are you're like a Frankenstein, some kind. Doesn't have to be the Frankenstein, but like some kind of Frankenstein. Whimsical Worm, you are a serpent, a sea serpent. Subble, you're a Dracula. You're a vampire. It's okay, Sub and Lemon. Okay, I'm gonna call you Lemon. That's so much. That's so much easier. I'm gonna call you Lemon. Thank you. I'm doing great. I made myself some grilled cheese. Oh my god, what a classic meal. I love that. Nocturne, you're a phantom. You're straight up a phantom. Some kind. All right. We're listening to Golden live because these girlies performed this live last night on Jimmy Fallon. And it sounds so different, but it's so good. It is so good. We're watching the performance.
Raw fear me, for I am a spooky devil shark.
Oh wait, you're still a fucking alien. Whoops, hold on. You're not supposed to be an alien. Hold on, why is there an alien here? Oops. There. My bad. Don't feel bad, the name is basically on me. Okay. No worries, I get it. I just... No, that's that's not supposed to be on. You triggered like one of the longest ones too. That is so funny. Okay. Are you good? Are you good? Anyways, let's do it. Rumi, her in the middle, main chick. I'm pretty sure from what I saw and what I read, she just had bronchitis, like really recently. And you would never fucking know, dude. You would never fucking know. You couldn't even tell. Like, what the fuck? Yes! Yes! No, that's so funny too, Carden. People were like, are we sure it's bronchitis or is it just her marks? I love them. Literally like serving all. I love them so much. God! Toast, welcome in! We're actually just about to start the game up. Good morning. Oh man. God, these girls make me so happy. They're so talented. Alright. It is time. I just wanted to listen to that live because it's so good. Obviously, there's a no back seating warning because I don't really know. I'm going into this game blind. So I'm just gonna figure it out. I'm just gonna figure it out. We're just gonna see what happens. Okay, I am gonna switch into a different model though for the occasion. So let me just do that right now. I'm just gonna go down here. Just one sec. Oh, hey. Just gonna change. I need a hair tie. Hey, Dylan, can you get me a hair tie? Thank you, baby. I know I already set up her vocal range. And it is literally live. All of them live. I missed the Halloween debut because school's kicking my ass. So what's the story? Honestly, there's not really any story this year. It's just, you know, there's a moon up there. As you can see, there's a moon in the top right corner there. May have transformed Sunny in a way of the werewolf kind. And I also have I had two models.
Do something funny.
Putting my hair up, give me a sec. My fluff. Guys! I just noticed the germ. The pink germa! Yeah. Bro's pink. I want specific lighting, but I don't think it's working. Give me one sec. Come on, one sec. I'm just gonna turn it on. Because I think it's a setting. Yeah, we're getting a little crazy. Getting a little crazy in here. Display lighting. On. Bueno. Yeah, there we go. We're a little more dark. Beautiful. This is cool. Hey. All right, we're gonna go down a bit. This is perfect. Okay. All right. Let's boot the game. I'm assuming there's gonna be like background noise and whatnot. So, all right. Let's see. Let me boot it up. Boot it. I'm sorry for seeing my. Toast, we were talking about you earlier because there he is, because Spicy was in here. And I was like, I bet that person who saved Spicy's voice acting clip was Toast. So funny. What if I give your husband a really bad voice? Will you hate me? What if I give him an awful voice? Yeah! Look at this. I'm so excited. I'm gonna shit on you. Spicy, your voice acting was so good. Alright, I got my water. I can unplug my hands too because I'm not using this. Oh my god, yes, Hazy! So I actually debuted two models when I originally debuted this, like the Halloween stuff. And this werewolf one, here, let me Let me turn down the lighting effects. It's quite bright. This werewolf one was a gift from the user WinWin Robin. Like months before Halloween was even a thing in my brain. This model was a gift, and I'm like, I have to debut this at the same time as well. It's so cool. It's so good. It's actually giant. This model is giant. Let me just hi. It's huge. Ugh. So we're just gonna fit in here. We're gonna just slot myself in the corner. Let me turn down the lighting effect so I'm not too in the dark here. Brightness, a little bit. There we go. All right. Bueno. I don't think I've been this excited to see. I'm so excited. All right. The music. Let's do like 90 SFX. Okay, if the master's that. Right? Oh. I just can't get over it. Typing effect. What is that? I'm not using a controller. Let's just make sure everything is a VSync. Should be fine. Okay. I'm going crazy. Don't worry. Let me watch the funny fish called Wolf Slay Boss play the game. Ah! All right. I'm so excited. Let me move my stuff here. I've got some, there we go. Actually, we just got back from our trip. Ooh! Aren't you tired of staying at home? Oh man, I love the look at this. Yeah, I remember. Woo! Hi, Beans! Hello! I know, right? We went to the beach. Oh, there's a dead man there. That's gonna be me in San Diego. It's way too hot yesterday. Charlie! How you doing? It's good to see you. Kitty! I'm loving this, like, weird videography stuff. Yeah, we're getting ready for her for school. She doesn't want to go, but what can you do, right? Just to homeschool her. Ugh! The creature. That's me right now. Oh! All right, I'll drop by later tonight. With all this corn in my face. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Goodbye. Oh! Oh! Oh, this game looks so cool. Loneliness is an illusion. Ooh! I love the looks. This is so blue. I might have to adjust the sensitivity really quickly here. It's a little high. Let's just do like 0.7. It's a little better. Hey! Hey, neighbor. Long time no see. How's life? Fine. So let me live with you. I came over for a reason. I've been getting a little worried about you. Something's real bad. Something real bad seems to be headed our way. I just got off the phone with my cousin. She told me the news was saying something weird is going on with the sun. Oh my god, it's just like Voice of the Void. It also says there's people coming from underground. They're calling them visitors. For whatever reason. Creepy stuff, huh? I sure hope it's not true. What's happening with the sun? Either it's gonna explode or something's gonna explode on it. Not totally sure. All I know is something's wrong with it. I'm sure you noticed this summer's been the hottest one ever, right? I think we need to prepare ourselves for the worst. My cousin told me that being home alone is dangerous, so I came over to make sure you don't end up hurt or worse. I'm gonna be lurking. Yeah, lurk it up. I'm actually gonna change one thing before I get into the game a little more here. I'm just gonna change my tracking from my iPhone, or from my iPhone, oh god, to my webcam, just so it's a little better. Because my iPhone's good at tracking, but it's only good at tracking models made for it. So give me 1 sec, it's an easy switch. Can you turn your volume down? Can you turn your volume down?
Oh, sorry.
It's all the way up.
Oh, jeez.
You're okay. Hi, Iron, welcome in. All right, I think it's booting. Me when I stare at you, I hired this cat to stare at you. So hold on. Camera's not turning on. Why not? Let me do. Why isn't my camera turning on? Hello? Camera! Is it tracking something else in OBS? It might be. Let me take a peek here. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out why it's not tracking. Or even turning on, for that matter. That's weird. Iron, how you doing? Guys, did you know Iron was in a YouTube, their favorite YouTuber's freaking edit today? YouTube Studio in the computer app is gonna be... It's so selective, is what I'll call it. It's so selective. Like, I turn my freaking webcam off, and then it's like, okay, now what? It's like, oh, there's something else I gotta do? Now what? Let's just do that for now. Like the cam? Yeah, my camera's not turning on. Oh, stinker. Oh, you know what? Maybe if I... Yeah, I'm glad I'm doing this before I actually get into the game, because at least I won't be in the middle of things. I just want to turn on my other tracking. Is that so hard to ask for? OBS? OBS? Is that so hard? One sec, guys. I'm sorry. If the scuff remains, then I might just go back to the other tracking. It wasn't the worst, but there was an update? Like, for VTube Studio? That's weird. That's weird. Let me just make sure there's no camera actively tracking anything. I wonder if my hand cam is on somewhere. It might be. Yeah? You guys are just staring at a man. Let's turn some music on. Hold on. One sec while I figure this out. Anxiety. And I don't want to restart VTube Studio either. Alright, whatever. I tried. Oh well. Oh well. I'll live. Off topic, but the restaurant I went to, I asked for a container for my ranch because it was yummy, and she brought me a whole... Yes! Yes! Hi, Lucky! Welcome in! Alright, where did my model go? I'm just trying to fix some scuff here. There we go. I'm gonna try one more time to turn this camera on. Ow! Maybe if I choose a different camera, hold on. Wait. Hold on. Cancel. Oh, and we have an ad break coming too. That's so great. That's so great. Hold on, I'm changing my camera. Okay, it seems to be picking up a different camera. And now if I go here. Dude, it's not even picking up. Wait. Maybe it will. Maybe. Oh, wait, this is different. Oh no. Oh god, I'm fucking it up. I shot DMs. Buff Pup. I have not been getting that. I have not. This is literally just my camera not turning on. That's weird. That's weird. What if I like unplug it and plug it in? That's always a good solution. Hold on. Oh wait, I think I might be dumb. Where's my camera? Which one's the cam? One of these. One of these. Is that the camera? Maybe? No. This one? I'm just pressing buttons. Hold on. Ooh. What is this? Where does this cord go? Oh, I don't even know. Well, that's fine. Ooh. I'm doing a little bit sick cold. I'm just gonna put her down here. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to reset VTube Studio. That stinks. Some things that can restarting VTube Studio. I don't want to do that, but it seems like that's the only option I have right now. Before the ad break. You know, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna deal with this before the ad break, have an ad break, and then we can fully game. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do about it. I've been getting the same thing. That's weird. Like, it'll connect to my iPhone tracking just fine. And then maybe my camera's mad at me that I haven't been using it for a whole month. Again, I can't have like the soda and kill your throat. Oh god. Dude, it's like the season of sick. I mean, it kind of always happens around wintertime, right? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. VTube Studio is booting up. I have 2 models on the way, bro. Eee! Eee! Camera's still not turning on. That's cool. Ooh, why her eyes move like that? Okay, the camera is here. Hold on. Hold on, it's actually showing up in VTube Studio. That is good. That is good. Camera is on! Yeah! Okay, we did it. I just had to reboot the fucking app. That's all it took. Wow. I didn't want to do that, but that's how we did it! Oh. Now I gotta turn all my effects back on, bro. Okay, well, at least it works now. And we don't gotta worry about that until later. But now I'm thinking, like, do the redeems work? Oh, speaking of redeems. Okay, I'm gonna do a few things on the ad break, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm excited. Okay. We're gonna go on a quick ad break. And when we're back, we're gonna be gaming. We're gonna be huge gaming. I'll be right back, gang. Get up, get some water if you need to, and get ready for spooks.
Yeah, that's what I hear. Shut up.
They stare cause they know I'm the I-T-G-I-R-L. You know I am that girl. Shh, bitch, don't kiss and tell. Ain't girlfriend, ATL. I-T-G-I.
All right, now we can play the game. Yes! Let's fucking do it. All right, gamers. We are back in business. Everything is ready to go. All right, let's make sure let's make sure things work here. Does that work? That works. Bueno. Okay. Now we can get serious. Boot the game. It's time. There we go. Put that back. Okay. Welcome back from the ads. We can actually play the game now. Also, this model cannot be bald, so don't waste your points on trying to make me bald. Okay. I'll see you in the kitchen when you wake up. See you in the morning. Bye! Looks like no one else is coming tonight. How do you know that? A few drunkards lay sprawled out on the street. Can I not, like, look? That's weird. It's like static. That's kind of... Oh god, Lucky, you're in the way! Lucky, get off the screen! Guys, all my cigarettes are gone. I can't use the phone. Not yet, anyway. Okay. And then, doorbell. Okay. What's in here? Bathroom? Better not go in there right now. Check during the day. Why does that matter? Pretty eyes, enough for muscle. Enough muscles for uppies! Welcome in, Cassidy. A skinny dog is standing on the footpath that runs through the... Aw, puppy, no! It's looking around mournfully, perhaps trying to find some food. No, doggy! No, the dog. What the dog doing? What is this? That's... 31. Calendar. I dropped my fry in my... No! Better not go in there right now. Better not go in there right now, I'm assuming. What is that? Ew. Oh, it's kombucha. Ew. I rest my case. Your neighbor's house stands alone in the hayfield. There's no lights. There's no light in the window. Looks like his family is asleep. Good night. Our neighbor checked on us. Hallway. Radio. Is that a kitty? That's a doggy. Oh, is this my save state? Saves the game. My favorite drink makes me feel good. Oops. Ooh. Nope. I don't look that way. Not anymore. Ooh. No TV. I hate sleeping by the nightstand. Too many bad memories. What the helly? All right, good night. That's a hairless cat? Oh. The ears looked a bit too long. Ow! Breaking news. At 6:28 a.m. today, I'm not doing this guy any justice. There was a powerful emission of energy from the sun. This burst of energy was far larger than scientists had predicted. As a result, temperatures outside have reached critical levels. The government has since declared a state of emergency. We ask viewers refrain from going outside during the day. Up next, something lighter. Up next, the weather. It's hot outside. You see ballerinas dancing gracefully, crossing the stage in strong, delicate leaps. Despite the elegance. What is that? What's that? The dances evoke anxious thoughts. Oh. If only someone could just explain what's going on. Hello? Oh! It's so much nicer out. It's so much lighter. Hello? To catch a signal, turn the right knob. To do this, left click and hold. Move your cursor up or down. Okay. If you still can't get a signal, try changing the wave range. Oh my god! Just like Voice of the Void. Oh, I see. Messages. Emergency service dispatch. How can we help you? People, they're burning. Can you describe what you're seeing? Is there a fire? No, it's the sun. They're burning up in the sun. Is that it? Do not leave the house until dark. No, that guy haunts the streets at night. The pale one, he's not human. Title drop. Already bet you. Toast, how long did it take you to do the radio? Be honest. Ow! Bro! Hello? Did I just drink that whole fucking thing? Where did it go? Oh. Ew, what the fuck is that? Toto, pretty much the only toy I had as a kid? Well, except for the sticks we used to whack the grass. Okay, buddy. Jesus cross. Don't get why it's not in the corner. I thought that was the rule. Girl, it's gone. I thought it was like a save state. Like, that I can constantly use. Okay. Well, lesson learned. See, this is why I pinned the top. I'll learn my lesson. Hi, Super Fanbot. Welcome. Then again, Dad never gave a damn about rules. I just drank all that shit. Why save states so important? I'm afraid. Oh, right. I cannot look outside. This is the office. Cute. One of those magazines where you gotta find a certain person in the crowd. Must be annoying. Wish people would just leave me alone already. Hello? Honestly, I'm better off being alone. You can even talk about it aloud to yourself. What are you what is it? Huh? I sat and watched evilly as you picked it up again. I was like, oh, it's a new day. Better save. I crave tomatoes. Maybe more tomato. Ooh. Hey, it's my boy! It's my boy! Damn. So it's all true after all. Well then, everything I said makes sense. Don't go outside during the day, and you have to remember to let other people in. Why would I let strangers into my house? I know you prefer to keep your distance from people, but you have to. My cousin doesn't know for sure why he can't just bunker down by ourselves. But she mentioned that if anyone comes and asks if you're alone, say no and tell them someone's in the house with you. I hate dealing with people. Why do I have to have other people with me? Nocturne, get out! Get out of this chat! Nocturne, hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, move along. People let you inside might bring something useful or share some interesting information. Just don't forget to test them for signs of being a visitor. You won't have much energy during the day with this heat. Timeout corner. So choose who you want to test carefully. You'll have to take a real close look. It's strenuous, draining work. But don't worry about chatting with people. That won't take up any energy, so talk as much as you like. And be sure to look out your windows. TV's great and all, but there's nothing better source of info than your own two eyes. Then what? I'm afraid all we can do now is try and survive. And hope this nightmare ends soon. I'm sure the government will help us somehow. Maybe they'll lead everyone to a shelter or something like that. If they do, stick together with me and my family. Alright, that's it from me. Alright, almost forgot. I'm headed back home tomorrow night. Write down my number. They'll just set up a line over there. They just set up a line over there. 6777. I'm gonna write this down. That's what gamers do. When has the government ever helped anybody? That's a truth fact. They don't. Okay. Now that's really it. Crack a beer, get some sleep. That's my boy. Does he have a name? Did he say his name? Am I silly? Did I miss that? Grandma crammed every cabinet full of dishes. Only pulled out the fancy set for holidays. Now who the hell needs it? Did you say... Can I be honest? I don't know what that meme means, and I don't plan to know. I don't plan to get to know. I don't understand. I don't get it. My storage room. There is no meaning. Then I don't care. To put it simple. Because I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. It's weird. It's weird. The bathroom. Bro, it's crammed in here. Well, it's literally crammed in here. There's a fucking washer in here. Window to another room. People used to do that to save electricity so the light from the other room spills into the other. Then they seal it up. But only on one side. Slay, so you get a shelf. Okay. What if I try phoning his number right now? Oh, I didn't even have to write it down! That's cute, actually. What if I try phoning right now? Aw, boo. Poo! Didn't work. What if the toilet? The toilet? Oh yeah, there's no toilet. Okay. It's like the SpongeBob 25 joke. Oh. Me when I understood Skibbity, but now I need to know a 3. I need a 1,000 page Google Doc on 6-7. Alright, what am I to do now? Hallway? Did I go in here? Yeah, I did. Or he wants me to crack a beer with him. Beer day? It's beer day! Can I sit down with my man? Fridge? Hey, let's grab a beer! 2 beers! Ew. Why can I poke that? Why can I poke the bug? Do you see that? I have a lemon. Woo! World's gone to shit! Beer made me sleepy. Did he say he wants to go to bed? By the way, I bought you a case of beer. My brother-in-law works at a brewery. Knock one down. What? Knock one back before you hit the sack. He rhymed. Bars. Bars! It'll make you really sleepy. If you ever feel like you've had enough conversation for one day, drink a beer and relax. Yeah, I'm tired of talking to you, pal. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go for a nap. Off topic from very tasteful taste. I hit 20k steps! Holy shit, Nocturne. That's huge. Congrats. Y'all, I watched a video on it trying to figure it out, and the meme legit has no meaning. I hate that shit. I hate that. Good night. Honk me me me. Ah, it's nighttime. Yes! Wait. TV? No TV. No TV. Alright, it's nighttime. Is my man... Where did he... Oh, he went home, right? Can I try calling? I guess we'll see who's at the door. It's the girl! Hi. Is my daddy here? Can you get him for me? I was okay before, but I'm really scared now. There's a lot of strange people out here tonight. What's your dad's name? You forgot his name? Oh wait, you're just testing to see if I'm a visitor or not. You're smart! I'll start asking questions to test people too. How did you get here? How the fuck? No meaning memes honestly were my bread and butter, but fair! But I feel like they were actually good back then. Like, how do you merchandise 6-7? You poke bugs because in the demo you could squish and kill. Oh, I love YouTube poop. See, that's comedy. It's comedy and it takes skill to make. How did you even get here in one piece? I don't know. Everything feels like it's opposite day now. People stay at home and sleep during the day, then go out and do stuff at night. I'm still scared of the dark, but maybe there's nothing to be afraid of. Or is there? Dude, she's kind of like creepy. I'll get your dad. I'll get your dad. I'll get your dad for you. Good luck. Thanks, you too. I want to go home. It's scary out there. Scary out here. You're gonna play a new game Daddy made up for me. You have to roll dice. And then you move stuff around like the armchair or the couch. You have to build a big pile near the door to win. I'll show you how to play another time. Aww. That's... Oh. Hello? Just fucking spawns in behind her. Bye. She's... Oh. Ah! Hold on. Oh, I guess there's nothing else to do. Oh, damn! That's a tall glass of water. Could I come in? I was taking shelter at the bar down the road, but... Hi, Win! Welcome in! Yeah! What's up, Raiders? Guys, it's my model parent! What's up, you guys? Yo, welcome in, you guys. How you doing? Welcome in, Raiders. How was your stream? What were you guys doing? What were we all doing? You were playing Just Chatting. What were you all up to? What were you chatting about? If you guys didn't know, Win Robin made this model that you see before you as a gift, and I am so ever so grateful. And we are using it today to play No, I Am Not Human. So it's very fitting. Good, play some demos and then watch some vids. I love that. I love that. This sounds like a vibe. Everyone go follow Win Robin right now. If you like this model, you will love their stuff over there. Amazing artist. Amazing creator. And thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in anybody coming in from Win's side. We're playing No, I'm Not Human today. It is my first time playing this. Playing it blind. Doing some silly voices. Seeing, we're just playing this. And I'm very excited. I've been liking it so far. I love the vibes. But welcome in. We're gonna get back into things. But hey, Win, if you gotta go raid and run or go lurk, I totally get it. Please take care of yourself. Otherwise, we're looking at this tall, fine man. But welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. They kicked me out just like that. Why? I guess not everyone here found my personality particularly palatable. But I don't mean anyone any harm. Don't worry. Life is shitty sometimes, you know? So, what do you say, my good man? My good man! You know what? I kind of like him. I can give him a beer. He's an alcoholic. I have beer. I guess I should ask if he's a visitor. Do I look like... I mean, I can't see your face, brother. No, I'm not a visitor, and you're never gonna get a straight fucking answer asking that directly anyway. Damn! I guess things here won't be any different from the bar. Why do you think they'll be any different? Why did they kick you out of your previous shelter? Cause he's evil? Is that because he's like a raging alcoholic? I consider saying something rude just now, but thought better of it. Damn. I told you already. Someone got there. Someone there didn't like me. God knows who it was. Now that I think about it, maybe it's a good thing they tossed me out. So wait, okay. I'm gonna ask for people who've played this. Is it like a story where every person who comes to the door, it's like the same? Or is it all randomized? Like, is it, what's the word? Hi, Beetle, welcome in as well. But yeah, is it all randomized, or is it like in a story mode where if you do things, you have to do things in a particular order? I say let that I'm considering it. Like their backstories? Like, if like, is he always like one of the first people to come to the door after the family? Or is it always random? Am I thinking of the word roguelike? Maybe? Yes, yes, yes. It's like, it's okay. Cool. They could have eaten me alive back there and no one could have fucking noticed. I like you! Come on in! Oh, he's kind of cute! Thank you. Trusting people doesn't amount to a hill of beans these days. Oh, he like shrank down a little. I appreciate your trust in me. Perhaps I even, well, no, I shouldn't promise anything. Slay! What's your name, my boy? Where did he end up? I'm guessing he ended up in the kitchen? Oh, I guess I can't go in there. Where did he go? I guess we find out in the morning. He's like, huh? He's like, oh, hey. Give him some beans on toast. Oh, it's her! I've seen her. Hello. Sorry to bother you so late. It was just so hot out today and the TV said we shouldn't go in the sun, so could you maybe find some space for me? Who are you? I live down near the city. The asphalt over there is heating up pretty bad. As you can imagine. I actually worked the register at a local store. At one point, I mean. I don't anymore. They, fired me. I've always had bad luck with work. Oh, honey, they don't deserve you. What will you do now? try to survive somehow? It's freaky out here with these visitors everywhere and the sun roasting everything. But I'd really like to live. Aren't you scared? Tell me it'll be over soon, please. I like her. Come on in. Oh, I did a smile. Thank you. Thanks so much. Seriously. Now I get to live a little longer. Thank God. Oh! So, what happens if I let a visitor in? I guess I won't know because I have to like inspect them. I just let them in and they fucking backstab me immediately. Hi Vera, welcome in. Her little haircut, her little bob. Oh, ew, I don't like you. Immediately, I don't like this man. Who's talking? Is it him? They're much better. Oh, howdy. Oh, you'll know? Okay, bet. My lovely wife and I are looking for a safe place to weather the storm. Would you mind if we crashed here for a bit? Only if it's no trouble, of course. Does my house look like... What if you're trouble? Well, I guess we could go look for shelter somewhere else. My old lady's exhausted though. She needs a little rest. Can we stay for a little while? If it's not too much to ask, I mean. Dude, your hairline is a red flag. Can your wife speak for herself? Yeah, let your lady talk, actually. Let your woman talk. Of course she can. Honey, will you say something? She's just really tired, I'm sorry. What if you're puppeting her from the back? What if his hand is like puppeteering her? Ew! Maybe we could talk all together another day. If we ever meet again, of course. Right, darling? Oh, forgive me, I shouldn't be pushing you like this. You should leave. Got it. Sorry to bother you. We'll just have to keep looking, won't we, sweetie? Come on, move your damn legs. I'm tired too. Girl, leave him. Girl, leave him. Push him out in the sun and leave him. Yeah, she can come in, but that man cannot. That man is not invited. Looks like no one else is coming tonight. Okay. Guess I'm going to sleep. Guess I'm going to bed. I can't believe I drank that kombucha. That's so funny. Ideally, okay, so the no backseating rule is just more so like telling me exactly what to do type beat. For me, asking things, totally fine. What would be the ideal situation to drink the kombucha? Genuinely. That guy's mean. He could feed all of us. That's crazy. Alright. I guess we'll go to bed and meet our friends in the morning. Good night. Anything else? No. Later in the game, the Pale Man... At the Pale Man's third visit is when it's kombucha time. Good afternoon. Here's the news. Oh! Oh, it did work. They're gone. Thank you. Hi, Kita! What happened to you? What do you mean? I'm a werewolf. What do you mean? Welcome in! The sun's activity rises steadily as crime levels also reach a new high. Ow! I gotta go. Have a good night, Beetle. It's good to see you. Ew. According to recent data, the number of murders over the last few nights has surpassed average figures. That's crazy. Experts suspect this related to society's ever-growing anxiety surrounding the visitors. And now, over to... just a moment. Our studio has just received an urgent transmission regarding contact with a phenomena we are calling the visitors. Eyewitness accounts describe them as creatures that can imitate the appearance and behavior of humans. Avoid contact at all costs. In one case, a visitor was able to be identified with one telltale sign. Perfect white teeth. Our early reports seem to back this up. Sources say they encountered an outhoused person with perfect white teeth who later turned out to be a visitor. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Up next, more weather updates, but first a message from our sponsors. Who's the sponsor? Oh, fuck yeah. Buying groceries used to be mean trudging down to the store, but rest for sure. Oh, there's a number for grocery delivery. Okay, slay. Veneers. Oh my god, they all have fucking veneers. They're all rich TikTok kids. Fuck. Dental license. Okay. Who's yapping? Oh, it's the radio. Radio killed the radio star. Yes, I am human. It's simple. You send in your photos and we'll check what you really are. What? Just send your photos to us by emailing yes I am at Human Verification Agency and we'll handle the rest. But please don't send anything other than eyes, teeth, and fingernails. We will not accept anything else. That does sound suspicious. Literally. Okay. All right. We've got somebody in here, I'm guessing. Oh, it's our tall boy. Yo, what's up, brother? Yes. Was there something you wanted? Do I need to test him? He just looks... Okay, so that takes energy, and that's my energy right here. Oh. Toast, is that... Are those emotes working? Because I do not see them. Why did they throw you out of the bar? I blame the chain of catastrophes that broke everyone's minds. The sun teetering on the brink of explosion, the arrival of the visitors, the economic crisis, and so on and so forth. They are work? I don't see them in my chat. That's really funny. It's fucked us all up. Some crumbling under the stress. Some drove head first into the bottle. But me? Well, it was a rage that drove me mad. I snapped, climbed onto the bar and screamed, "Stop fucking blaming everything but yourselves!" Let them weep, I say. Tears in the beer foam don't ruin the pint. Molten hops taste better with salt. Damn, bars! Nobody appreciates it, so why bother? Bars. Bars, brother. Where's our girly boss? Is she in the closet? Girl, why are you in the closet? Hey, why are you sitting like that? I hope this all ends soon. Should I test her? Who should we test? We can honestly test both of them. Hi, Fox! Yes! Yes! Yeah, Robin streamed making this one. Welcome in. Should we test her? Good honking! Hi, River. Welcome in as well. I'm gonna test her. Because she was looking weird in the corner there, but maybe, you know, she's just vibing out. I mean, I guess I could test her after we talk to her. How did you lose your house? I remember like it was yesterday. I had just gotten fired. All I wanted was to go home, climb into bed, and cry my eyes out. Hi, Nestrix! Welcome in! Welcome in! It's good to see you! But when I got there, I saw a bunch of boots. I thought maybe my roommate had some friends over or something, you know? So I went up to her room to find out what she was up to, but as I got closer, I started hearing a strange sound. Oh, Toad! Oh! Kind of freaked me out, but decided to take a peek, quiet like, ow! And see what was going on in there. I was only able to catch a brief glimpse of my roommate lying motionless on the bed when suddenly some grubby guy grabbed me from behind and said, "You can't go in there. She's not well. Come have a seat in the kitchen." Then he quickly pulled me away and sat me down at the table. I wanted to leave, but I was paralyzed by fear then.
I'm not like
Germa.
Germa, but I want.
Ba-bum-bum. Let me just, sorry, I'm in my other browser here. Give me 1 second. Un momento. How you guys doing? Welcome in. Thank you for the pets. Thank you, thank you. How y'all doing? Cool. What? Oh, you were watching hockey? I forgot hockey started. The hockey night in Canada is here. Oh yeah, she said she needs to go sit down. Hi, what is that monster? What are you talking about? This is just a girl. This is just a girl. Leave her alone. I don't need to test her. All of her... I don't want to talk to her again. Can I quit? I don't want to test her. All of her, like, truthness feels so truth. It feels so truth-coded. I kind of want to test the big guy, though. But he also sounds very truthful. So that's the groceries. Is there any... I don't think... Do we need to actively eat? Why can't I crush bugs anymore? You know what? Let's test the tall dude at least. Because we have 2 energy, so we might as well use it. Might as well do it. Where was he? In the hall? She looks like the berries and cream guy. Not the berries and cream guy, bro. No. No, the other one in the bottom right corner? What are you talking about? I want to test you, because I can. Was there something you wanted? What do you want to check? Teeth? You want me to show you my teeth? Okay, take a look. Take in that odor of sadness and smoke. Yeah. Oh. I mean, they're not perfect. There's a little... Oh. That's pretty good. That looks pretty good, though. I don't know. But his realness is so real. I wouldn't say they're perfect, though. They're kind of mismatchy. Pretty yellow, right? Oh, I guess they are yellow. I forgot about the white part. So piss off with your tests. I'm not a visitor. Pull out the gun! Oh! I didn't know we had a gun. Crazy. We could call our neighbor. Let's see if he's doing okay. Oops. Whoopsie. No, go back. Let's try that again. Neighbor boy. Neighbor man! Isn't this your house? Yes, this is my house. Hey neighbor, good to hear from you. So, you let a couple people in yet? If not, then you really should start thinking about it. Got any questions? You letting people into... How did you sort out the issue with food? Bye! How many signs does it take to tell if someone's a visitor? Shoot! Shoot first! Ask questions later. If only I knew. Nobody really knows how many signs it takes to be sure. I'd say it's probably best not to jump to conclusions, though. Pulls out the gun. Maybe they just went to the dentist. Oh, that's crazy! This is my house, yes. Got any questions? And then I guess... Well, the food... I'm still hungry after leftover breakfast, so now I'm making... Oh, yummy! Oh man, that sounds good too. I got lucky, stocked up ahead of time. If I remember right, you did too. I got beer in the fridge, boy. But if you want something special, there's that food delivery service. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then you taking people in too. Yeah, I have to. My daughter really doesn't like it, but what can I do? There's no other way. She keeps begging me to take her outside, just to get away from all the strangers in the house. But daytime's not an option, so we go for walks at night. Dangerous, I know, but what else can you do? Got any questions? No, bye! No, bye-bye! I guess we can test her as well, because we have that extra test, but I know she's probably not one. What do you want to check? Teeth? Wait, what? You're gonna make a decision based on my teeth? Okay. I just had my teeth fixed. I thought you lost your... Though if I'm honest, I can't really remember being at the dentist. What the fuck? Girl. God, I'm so nervous. I can't even remember if I ate yesterday. They're pretty white. That's pretty white, but they're like kind of imperfect. Ugh, I don't know. What do y'all think? She's like, I actually just went to the dentist. Actually, I don't remember. Gun. Do I fit the gun? I'm a visitor? How? I can't be! Oh my god! I was chased out of my home far from my job and now I'm gonna rest my own head. Gun. Hear her out? Those are pretty nice looking teeth, lady. Plead. I went to the hospital last week because of my back, I think. Did I also go to the dentist then? How much did I spend? You're just asking yourself questions. Boop, boop, boop. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What the fuck? Are we evil and not human in here? Hey! Hi, Rexy. How you doing? She's like trauma dumping on me. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I can't really do anything anymore. Yeah, her life already sucks. I'm going to bed. I guess we'll find out. Good night. Yeah, I realize that now. Hey, now we know. No, you're good, Skelly. I appreciate it. It's more so like you guys can like tell me tips and like kind of little things about the game. I'm totally fine with that. It's more so just telling me to do something unless I ask, being like, hey, what do you guys think? You know, like that's totally fine. Now we know. Hello. Oh, yo, girl boss. Hey, or maybe it's a guy. Sorry, I don't want to assume. I guess if that's better. Is this like your place? I mean, your house, sir. You looking for someone? Nah, I just need to crash for a bit or something. I'm sick of hiding in basements. Keep this up and I'd probably forget how to talk soon. Not that you care. Where are your parents? What are you doing hiding out in basements? I guess that's the obvious answer. Where are your parents? Hell if I know. Home, probably. Where else would they be? Or maybe they're visitors now. Would kind of suit them. My mom loves sunbathing too, so yeah, there's another fun possibility. That's crazy. Whatever, I'm here, aren't I? And I could use a roof over my head. You're really gonna leave a kid out here under the burning sun with visitors around? Damn, you make a good point. Come on in. No way! Whoa! You even got carpet? Sweet! Yo, carpet. Cue the music. Cue the carpet. Oops, sorry.
Check it out, I'm in the house like carpet.
Bueno.
Check it
but
out,
whatever.
I'm in the house like
carpet. Guys, are we in the house like carpet? Who is that? Damn, brother! Yo, how's it hanging? Dude, you've been seeing how gnarly things are out here? What the hell's going on? Be for real with me, dude. What did I miss? The sun. Everyone does that. He's a fucking surfer dude. No freaking way! Bro, I saw that movie. That one with the bald dude. So all we gotta do is send a team of badass astronaut heroes to the sun, right? Boom! Rocket launched. Mission to stop the world from ending is go. Radical, dude. Oh, and the team has to have 4 people. That's like totally the golden survival number. Do you really have no idea what's going on? Sure, man. It's a mess out here. People talking shit on their fellow man, harsh and mellows, with all this doom and gloom. After all that stuff on the news, the vibes are like way off, dude. But movies, man, they got all drama, betrayal, intrigue. They're more fun than books, bro. Anyways, wanted to end up in a movie someday. I like this brother. I want to let him in. All I get is good vibes from this man. Yo! Appreciate it, my man. Man, this might be the raddest thing that's happened to me, like, ever. Ever? Is this your first time on Earth? They should totally make a movie about this someday. Well, they made a game. So. They made a game. They made one game! Hold on. I gotta move my mic for a sec. Okay, sorry, we're good. Good vibes and good eats with him. I like that guy. All right, is this the last person? Ew! Hello there, human. He looks like Jack Black in a like, not to diss Jack Black, but like Jack Black coated, flavored. Hello there, human. How lucky we are to witness the humanity's failed judgment with our own eyes. Hi, Samita. Thank you. I've been going to the gym. Steve. Can we get a shout out for Crystalis, please? If there's any mods chilling. Earth is being cleansed of sin. The sun is doing its holy work. We are on the path to pure new world. Bro, sounds like the rapture's going on. Behold the fucking beams of blessing! You're scaring me, man. You're scared? Have you gone shadow mad? Here, I'll break it down for you in simple terms. The sun does not burn and broil us alive without purpose. It is cleansing us of our... Wait, what if I let him in and then I just shoot him right away? Anyway. Our lust and greed has polluted this world, and it has angered the sun. This is our reckoning. It is a blessing. All sin will end, and we shall live in a righteous fucking ashes under its gaze. What'll happen to you? What does it have to do with me? We shall all live deliciously as soon as the sun completes its salvation. Its holy rays will help us escape this torment, don't you see? You definitely see. That's why you're still alive. Go away. Are you a complete episode? You're shooing away a righteous and just man! Behold, cigarettes. Behold! And I shall bestow upon you this generous gift straight from the Holy Sun itself. Okay, come in. No. Go away. We were just feigning ignorance about the sun. Well, then fuck you! I'll go save someone else. Yeah, go take your cigarettes and save someone else with them. See ya, shithead. Good fucking bye. Oh, yes, sings! Behold, Newports. Hi, Starry! Welcome in! Oh, that is hilarious. Alright. Yeah. Back to bed. Let your husband back in. Your husband can leave. Feels like someone died tonight. Oh, okay. Was it me? Good afternoon. Here's the news. The anomalous heat is continuing to rise, and the invasion of visitors has shown no sign of slowing. As such, the government has funded a new organization to address the emerging situation. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, abbreviated as FEMA. FEMA employees can be identified by their yellow hazmat suits and gas masks. Merely days since their founding, the agency has already discovered a new way to identify visitors. Dirt under the fingernails. Scientists say that this sign helps identify visitors who have crawled out from under the ground. So for now, stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Next up, crisis report regarding a pale maniac. But first, some ads. Here's a from our sponsors. All right, who died? What died? Who died? Let's listen to the radio real quick. Your white teeth? Has dirt appeared under your nails? It just started to happen! An evil spirit has entered you? You're a visitor! Don't let his blight take over your body. Call our experts immediately. Beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 bop, bop. Probably the guy we shoot away died. But it said that it smells like someone died inside the house. They'll cast out the evil spirit, cleanse your body of the pretentious aura, and provide you with enhanced protection. Alright, who or what died? Oh. What the fuck is that? Why is there garbage in my house? Hello? Yo, what's up? Ugh. I'm sick of all this. Why are you out there on your own? Well, home was cramped, loud as hell, zero comfort. I wanted out. Wanted to see the world. So yeah, I grabbed a backpack, a couple sodas, some snack bars, and this old friendship bracelet I made in school. And I left. My parents probably didn't even notice. Not that I care. Wait, did the tall guy die? Did he die? Oh. Did he, like, just drink himself to death? Oh. Since then, I wandered around, crashed wherever I can, and honestly, been fine so far. At least nobody's on my back, and I'm my own damn boss. You know what? Truth and slay. So we have... did he die? Girly boss is still here. I guess I could check her fingernails. Tall man died! How did he... Did somebody kill him then? Is somebody in here a visitor? Is that why? That might be why. Interesting. Saw, dude. Hi, mister! Hi! Mister. What are you doing before the cataclysm? Ah, bro. I was just chilling. You know, freaking flicks hanging with the homies. But now, no more movies, no more hangouts. Real bummer, dude. TV just loops the same thing. Panic commercial, panic commercial. My homies ain't even pick up anymore. Tall man died. Yeah. He died. I love how this guy's character is based around Daniel Earth. Really? Literally the only reason I tuned in. Really? Mist, I can't believe this. I'm sorry. Heard some big shot saying, now's not the time for fun. This is a crisis. Man, screw that bore. Fun never ends in Funtown. Booyah. Alright, brother. I don't trust this woman. Still. Let me check your fingers. That's a weird thing to check. But okay, take a look. What's on them? Dirt? No way. I don't remember digging all that dirt. I'm killing you! Get out of here! I don't trust you! I don't trust you! I did it! Oh, I just got the achievement. Identify a visitor. Yeah! Gang, we got our first one. We did it. And she killed our tall man. No! You killed our big tall man. I can't believe you. All right. Now there's 2 people in this house right now. Who do we check? Can I pet that dog? Hi, Devard. Do we check Mr. Silly Man or do we check the kid? Because we only have 1 more energy left. Also, we have an ad break in a few minutes. You want to check Silly Man? Will forever trust my fellow stoner. What should we check on Silly Man? Free my girl shade. I like the kitchen girl, so we'll check this man. But what do we check? Do we check his fingernails or his teeth? Like, no worries at all. I got you, homie. Should we do his teeth or his nails? His nails. Teeth? I say teeth. I like how he's kind of purple. Why are you purple? Haha, check it. Oh yeah, you're fine. Your teeth are pretty silly looking. They're kind of yellow. Teeth like totally look like it grew chewing corn, not cereal, right? But bro, these choppers, tough as nails. Popped a bottle with them once, man. Wild. Totally almost bit off my tongue, but the beer kept flowing, bro. Come on, man. Just like the Blazy, you know? Pull out the gun. Cool. All right. That was crazy. And then I already talked to them, so there's not much else to do. What day is it? It's family day. Aw. It's family day and we let in the kiddo. He's literally just chilling in the bathroom. Is that me? Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to check myself. Screw this. Okay. Alright, brother. And then we have the new psychic phone number. That's cool. Oh, I keep forgetting to check the windows at night. Shit. I keep forgetting to check that. So they're in the kitchen. Nothing's in the office. And our poor tall man got killed. Pat. Pat. You need to check yourself before you wreck yourself. Alright, let's take a snooze. Let's have a snooze. Why we kinda... Stop it! You guys. Alright, window. Ooh, what the hell? There's a small group of FEMA employees standing by your neighbor's house. You wonder what they're talking about. Maybe they're taking soil samples? Or looking somewhere to set up base? They're taking top loan soil. Hello, it's me, totally real Domo. Let me in. Is that you at the door, Domo? I'll let you in. Domo, welcome in! Oh! The charred husks of teenagers' bodies are lying on the ground. Looks like they've been there all day. 2 FEMA employees are standing next to the bodies and writing something down. It's a good thing they showed up to take away the corpses. You hate to think what kind of diseases could spread if the decaying flesh was left to rot there. Yes. Domo, how you doing? And then... Dude, bro's having his own party. He's having his own party in there. What the fuck? I didn't know you could hear them. I guess he's pretty loud. Alright, what's in here? Ew. You see a group of armed soldiers through the windows. Apparently it's a small squad that was sent here from the city to provide security for FEMA employees. You hear fragments of info about a pale man with a bare torso. Maybe you wanted to track down that creepy visitor. Alright, hello? Yo, who's that? Who's that guy?
Howdy. Spacious house you got yourself here. I like it. No, you don't. So... You alone? It's your lucky day. I can hear someone whispering inside.
It's the guy in the bathroom.
Who knows where they'll be in a few days?
Oh, it's a lady! Well, she came in fast. Hello. The heat doesn't bother me. I'm just looking for a quiet place to rest. This is a dude! Oh, my bad! Again, I can't tell. Okay. Might find some peace in your home. Who are you? Doesn't matter anymore. You wondering if I'm a visitor? I'm not, but I do have a request. I'll ask you later. I'm not sure that I can trust you with it yet. I thought it was I get it. It's literally, I have the same thing with, I don't know what game it was.
Put these rats in my ravioli. I didn't order ravioli.
Take your jacket off! You can't just say that to people! I'm always cooked cold. Others burn in the sun. I wrap myself in layers and still feel on the verge of freezing. I'm afraid to take any layers off. Why? Why? What's under there? Are you a creature under there? What if it just gets worse? And there's no death to ease the suffering? I don't trust that! I actually thought that he was a woman at first and I was like, damn! And then I found out he was a dude and I cheated. Matt's like, she's saying it's hot out here! Take all your... Oh. I don't trust them. But they had like a thing to ask me. So I don't know. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull it and we're gonna go on ad break and I'll see what the poll says after ads. Here we go. That's what we're gonna do. I'm a smart streamer. Let them in? Yes. Hell no! Alright, the poll will be up for 3 minutes. That's the amount of time as an ad break. And I will be back in a few minutes to continue the game.
Meow.
We're letting him in! Alright, welcome back from ads! Let's keep going, let's keep going! I love this game! I love this game! Alright, welcome back from ads! How y'all doing? Thank you. Ceiling is a bit low, but it's... What do you mean it's low? I had a man that was 7 feet tall in here! The fuck you on about, Germa? What? What do you mean by that? Oh! What the hell? Keyword had. It's a pale tall man. Keyword had? What do you mean had? I had a tall whoop. Maybe the tall man's roof gotta raise the roof. Raise the roof! Alright. Ew! Sorry. So we meet again? Oh yeah, we had a tall man, right. Gut reaction. So we meet again. I remember things were a bit different last time we crossed paths, yet we remain alive. Strange thing. I don't know how to explain it. I like to start our conversation with a divination. Tell my fortune by choosing a page in this book. Where should I open to? I don't want to play your games, brother. Bald! I don't... No, he didn't... I didn't recognize... I don't recognize this guy. Towards the beginning. The dead soon shall speak, but none will heed their words. Goodness me. How shockingly relevant. Though, I suppose it's not much of a surprise to hear that now. What do you mean? I need to think it through carefully. Do you have any insight? Do you have any insights to offer? Anyway, I only come here to tell you something. Events will soon begin to unfold. You need to be ready. He is an egg. It may sound strange, but the cat must enter. I cannot yet explain how. Yet I am certain it will help you. Did you know that cats evade off creepers in Minecraft? So it might be the same in this game. You can choose what to do with this information, of course. As for me, I think I'll go have a ponder on the deeper meaning of your divination. Oh, bye! Bye, Northern Lion!
You're gonna fucking in my life.
Bro's the yapper. Alright. Hopefully no one dies tonight, LOL. Good night! Bye, Beetle! Bye, Skelly! Oh, I have more energy! More Panman game, good night. Thank you, Skelly! I'm gonna keep playing this through this month, so this will not be the only time you see me play this, thankfully. Wait, did someone die again? Did I miss that? Hi, Glacial! Hi! What's up, Buppy? Good afternoon. Here's the news. FEMA has taken new measures to address the ongoing visitor invasion. As of now, they have organized quarantine zones to detain potentially dangerous suspects. FEMA has also identified a new visitor sign after experimenting with those detained. Blood red eyes. Ew! If the kid or the surfer died. Oh. Oh. I didn't even see that message. Fuck. If I discovered the signs of using detained visitors, noting the creatures have increased photosensitivity, causing their eyes to become inflamed and red. That's all for now. Stay calm. Don't leave your house. Next up, I'll report on FEMA, but first a word from our sponsor. A word from our sponsor. I hope... Who died? Because we checked that other guy's teeth. We did not check the kid, to be fair. We didn't check the kid. And we weren't able to check the coat person who came in the house, so... It's time for I Want to Believe, a program where we uncover mysteries and government conspiracies. Not Daniel, please. I don't know anything about this game, so I'm locked in. I know, this is my first instance, too. Today we'll be discussing the truth about visitors with a special guest, a doctor of science, a well-respected employee of Scientology. Also, that guy told us to let the cat in. So if I see a cat, I'm gonna let a cat in. Wait. He's not coming? How did they steal all of his documents? There was mountains of information in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The visitors are getting smart. Damn it. I knew we wouldn't be allowed to reveal the truth. Motherfucker. Ruh-roh. Alright, who died? Who died? What died? Oh, no one's in here. No! The kid! No! You. Was it you? Bitch! Let's find out. Let's find out. Show me your teeth. Uh-huh. Just what I thought. Just what I thought. Anyway. What's up, brother? Teeth were too good. But you know what? Let's test this guy for everything else. Hands. There's lore? Oh yeah, I guess I didn't ask him. I guess he had stuff to tell me. My bad. I was upset. Hi, Omega. Yeah, I did. I did. Also, this guy was talking about dirt. So I feel like he is also a baddie, which makes me sad. Like one time I was super baked, staring at my fingers, and dude realized those are my fingers. Just wiggle them, watch them move. Trippy stuff, man. He had some lore if you let him stay for 3 days! Well, now I know. See, I'm gonna keep playing this game. It's my first playthrough. It's my first time. You rolled it. I let him in to stay for a single day. Wait, Omega, did you accidentally... Hold on.
Did you see it?
Did you... His hands! Oh no, Omega with the accidental ban is so funny.
Granddad!
Let me fix that. 1 second. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to do that either. There we go. Fixing my chat settings. There we go. Yeah, I was just fixing it. It's some sick lore though. Fuck. See? God damn it! I was not about to ban. I just restricted Omega. That's different. Okay, but here's the thing. If his eyes are bloodshot, he's like, oh, I'm high. Oh, I guess I can't really. Can't keep my lids open too long. Oh, no. His eyes are fine. No, he's fine. My pupils? Don't sweat it, man. You wouldn't believe how often they busted my ass for that at the store. Bummer, dude. Alright, so we have him. I'm sorry I shot that person. I jumped the gun, but like they were a visitor, were they not? So I have to keep a visitor in the house for 3 days? After the stream, am I? Yeah, go ahead, Toast. Hi, Cat. Welcome in. Welcome in. Am I supposed to eat? Do I have to like keep on that? I'm so sad. That kid died. Is the kid okay? No, they died. The kid died. That's them right here. Pat, pat. They were, so humans, if killed are in trash bags, visitors will be, oh. So I had to keep it, okay, so I technically wasn't wrong, but I could have kept them for lore's sake. Interesting. Well, now I know. Now I know for next time, I guess. Now I know. Let's see if our neighbor's doing okay, because he had all those people at his house. If he picks up. Hey, neighbor. Honestly, I'm still shaken up by all this. The murders, the soldiers, Fema. They even showed up at my door last night. Asked about the people staying here. Scribbled something on a tablet, and then... one of them took someone out of my house. Where did they take them? Are visitors like alternate? Yes! Visitors are the things coming up from underground now that the sun is trying to kill everybody on the earth. So here's the quick context, Glacial. You wake up one morning, suddenly the sun is getting to an extreme degree of heat during the day, and you can't go out during the day. So the only time you can be active is at night, and that's where everybody, that's when people come to your door to try and take refuge from the sun. And then there are the visitors who have been coming up from underground who are replicating what humans look like. Also, certain characters are either 100% visitor every run, 100% human every one, or randomized! Wait, that's cool! Okay, bet. Where did they take them? Hell if I know. They said it was for tests. I thought all these soldiers and government officials would fix things. Should have known better to think they'd help us or get us to a safe place. This is our neighbor. We met our neighbor right at the beginning of the game. What is FEMA? We already know that. Good thing they didn't take your daughter. No way in hell I'm ever letting that happen. Over my dead body. If those bastards so much lay a finger on her, I'll tear them apart. What's FEMA? I don't know. Nobody really knows much about them. They came out of nowhere acting like they've got everything under control. But do you, but how do they even spot the signs when they're all just normal human traits? Feels like they're not telling us the whole truth. What if they are also, visitors? Crazy. Bye! Never thought we'd end up living through interesting times. The sun, the visitors, and now FEMA. So many questions, not a single damn answer. Neighbor, I had to ask something of you. If something happens to me, promise me you'll look over my daughter. I promise! Thank you, neighbor. I knew I could count on you. Alright, gotta go. Stay strong! Stay strong, my brother! My brethren. Alright. Let's go take a nap. So, all we have left is the stoner in our house, because we killed the visitor. Which is this right here. Was a visitor. Could have kept them for lore's sake, but I was too quick on the draw. The daughter got stolen. What if they got replaced, right? The daughter's not stolen yet. Or replaced. I don't know. I don't know. Alright. Just me and my stoner boy. He was a stoner boy. He said he's a loner boy.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh!
Good evening. I'm from FEMA. We're making house calls around your neighborhood, checking in with the residents.
Why should I trust you?
I can show you my credentials, if that won't put you at ease. Anyway, visitors rarely move in groups, maybe even never.
Why are you in protective gear? Should we be wearing that too?
No. But you could buy some if it would make you feel safer.
I don't know why I'm making him British.
We're still in the process of studying the sun's effects on the environment. It's important for us to be careful since we're spending so much time outside.
So, does FEMA have a plan of action?
Of course. But we can't action our plans without proof. So we'll take one of the people staying here.
No! No! No, you can't steal our boy! You cannot take our man. Not our stoner. No! The FEMA stands for fuck Earth messy as hell. Daniel!
We'll have them completed a few tests so we can make sure everything above board. Then we'll send them back.
So should I just wait here for something to happen? Do I need to pack?
Yes. Once we have more information, we'll provide instructions to all citizens. You have no reason to worry at the moment. We'll just take one person and try to get them back to you as soon as possible.
Ew! Oh no! 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 Daniel! No!
Take care.
Oh! No! Our stoner! Ew. Oh, actually, he looks like a grandpa.
Hey kid, how are things holding up around your neck of the woods? I ain't from around here. Never been one to stay in one place for too long. I can't roam around like I used to no more. I hate to do that to you, son.
Why are you traveling?
You seen these visitors, what these visitors are doing? House after house, someone died, someone torn apart. They pretend to be one of us, then slip inside your homes, and all hell breaks loose. Varmint needs to be whipped out, every last one.
I agree. Where's your weapon then?
I had a rifle. I damn near got me killed. They waited till I passed out, snatched it while I was asleep. I hightailed it out of there, and you bet your ass they fired. Varmint idea of fun. Nothing human about them except the skin they wear, kid. I like you, brother. Come on in. Knew you weren't soft, but you've got some backbone, son. We'll whip them out. Don't let no varmin within a mile of this place.
I like you. I like him. No. 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 Hi. Let me in. What happened?
They killed my dad.
Who did it?
The visitors came to the house. They were sitting with us. Daddy was talking to them about something, and then they killed him. Now our house is on fire.
Oh, I guess I didn't check the windows. Come in, my darling. I'm scared. Oh no, I actually want to cry. Go away. I don't want to talk to you right now. Wait, there's a cat.
Hi.
Some guy told me to let in a cat. I don't want to risk another person in here, but with the kid. Not that cat? Okay.
You open or not?
Do you know the bald man?
Too many questions. Yes, I know. How will help you?
Who are you?
I dance. Ballet. You can tell?
Someone send you here? Don't think so. Why matter? Prove that you're a person. I'm not one to judge, but why she look like that?
2 arm, 2 leg, 1 head. Not enough for you? Did I pass the test? You open or no?
I don't like her. But there's a cat. But I also just took in this child. But Kitty. But what if she kills the little girl? What if she kills my little... I guess I could test her as soon as she comes in. Well, I might be wrapping up stream soon, so why don't we go all out?
I make myself home here. Come on, kitty. Time to run and enjoy.
Yeah, take your fuck-ass cat. Okay. Alright. The entire squad of soldiers that arrived yesterday is dead. Looks like there was a massacre out there. Bodies are scattered across the whole street, and one of them is missing its head. Did the pale, creepy stranger kill them all? Great. Great. Oh! Oh! The pale, creepy man is standing on the street smiling. He's holding someone's decapitated head in a helmet. It's the head of a soldier, his face frozen in a terrified grimace. Not sure what scared him more, the pale visitor or his own impending death. Bro thinks he's funny. Stop, we're gonna go see the other house. Oh, it's the cat. Ew! Why he look like that? Your neighbor's house. He just painted white. Is now charred blacker than black. It seems the fire is still blazing, even now. Could someone have burnt it down on purpose? What happened to your neighbor's family? Is anyone still alive? Worries swirled through your head, and you're overcome with a feeling of incomprehension and helplessness. Well, we know one person is alive. I guess we can't go in there yet. So the girl was his daughter, yes. Test that woman? I can in the morning, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go test that lady.
Good afternoon. You're watching the news.
Due to a sharp increase in suspected visitor sightings, FEMA has announced that it is enacting new protection measures. Nobody died. No. Oh, you're right. Maybe not yet, though. I don't know if people can die on the same night. Effective immediately, a full quarantine will be enforced across all major population areas. Travel outside your city or to nearby village is strictly prohibited. They can? Oh, okay, cool. So nobody died. Oh! Interesting. So we might be okay for a little bit. Please stay within your designated area. In addition, FEMA has revealed new visitor identification procedure. Hairless armpits. Damn! They watching. They're on like. What show are they watching? No hair. There are reports that visitors have no visible hair in this area. Okay, but like, what if people shave? Yeah, God forbid somebody like shaves before the apocalypse. The agency is asking citizens to bear with tests, comply with escorts to the quarantine zone. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Up next, a report on what you can do if you spot a visitor. Kill them. That's what. What the hell, Kitty? Oh, Kitty. Kitty, did you discover? Can I pet the cat? I can talk to the cat? Okay. Oh! Peak gameplay. It's hard to tell if it likes it or not. We have a basement, apparently. Alright, what's going on over here? Feeling lonely? Anxious? Got nobody to talk to? Then the phone roulette is just what you need. Call now, and we'll connect you with the perfect conversation partner. Local humans in your area. I'm lucky with the radio? Like, legit? I don't think it's that hard to use. It's just like up or down signal. You know what? I do play Voices of the Void. All right. Damn. What's up, mommy? Okay, she's in there. Nobody's in here. Okay, she's got like a puppy figure right here. And she's here. I want to talk to everybody before I test them. And we'll figure that out. I guess we have a basement. Oh shit, there's like food down here. And potatoes. Okay. Sick. Let's talk to the lady. Poor girl. What's up? Kitty is here. What more you need? Why are you here? What a dumb question. Damn. You open door. Ask yourself what for? What am I for? It's all same to me. Place is place. Said go here, so went here. I don't want nothing. Any nothing. Not you. What matters is you keep place comfy for Kitty. The rest, who care? You know what, bars? Truth. Why is she smiling? The side eye. Oh, stop. This game is so gut-wrenching. It's Children's Day. I hate this. All right, brother. Stay sharp. Any one of us could be a visitor. You're a hunter, right? More of a ranger, kid. Lived way out in the wilds. No TV, just radio. That's how I found out what was going on. I love her. I followed someone on TikTok that self-ships with Cat Lady. Toast, I need to send you... So I have a cosplayer on TikTok that I've been following since I got TikTok. And her wife are an insane cosplay duo. And they did some cosplays from this game. And I need to send you them. That's how I found out what was going on. Decided I wouldn't let no one cross my threshold. No siree. My home's my fortress. What if one of them were a visitor? Sweet talks me, then slits my throat while I sleep. Why are you here then? Hell, if I'm letting that tall son of a gun get his hands on me, he's the reason I gone left my cabin. I can see it in your eyes. You've seen him too, ain't you, son? You saw the pale visitor. How did you... Yeah, I did.
So I ain't the only one. Yeah, I saw it. If only I knew what I'd done been through, kid. I'll talk about it, just not tonight. Bring me a beer tomorrow and I'll hear all about it. Hear it all. Where did you get coffee from? I don't have that. I don't have that. Hi, baby. I want my mommy. Tell me what happened, baby girl. I don't know. They came in and started talking and Dad said they were wrong. Then they said, Daddy! Daddy! It's okay, baby. Who cries out for her father nonstop? There's no end to sight to her hysterics. Sob, 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 sob! Sobbing! I cry. They didn't say that she's lying. Can I talk to the cat? Meow! I can pick him up. Meow, meow, meow! Yay! La la la! La 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 la! Oh, my bad. What happens if I call my neighbor's phone? I'm scared. I will still check people. Oh, it's invalid. When do I have to order food? I guess I can do that at night. Well, what if I try right now? Bing bong. Hello, you've reached Forest Food Delivery. Would you like to place an order? Do I have... I can buy more kombucha! Oh, fucking... Okay, there we go. Crisis averted. Alright, let's check the lady. What's up, mommy? What's up, girly? What do we test her for? Test me? Hi, yes. Be sure of something? Alright. What should we test her for? I personally like the teeth. The pit? You think she'll have clean pits? But what if she just got armpit, like clean armpit? The pit? Alright. That's the new one anyway. Haha, stare, sniff! What else? Oh, okay. Ew, okay, you're fine. Enjoy. You know what? She's kind of crazy. She's kind of crazy. Never mind. Okay. I trust her, honestly. I also trust the hunter, but we can test him just in case. What do you want to check? What should we test on our man? I do trust him. I guess his teeth. Teeth, huh? Fine, I'll show you. Ooh. Oh no. Interesting. I can test one more time. I don't wanna kill him though, because I do wanna... Oh, it's hard. I wanna know what he I wanna know what he knows. Of course my teeth are white. I ain't savage, son. I wipe my ass too. You know what? Okay, valid. What should we test on him next? We have eyes, pits. I guess we could... You know what? He's a man. He should have hairy pits, right? I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with shaving, but eyes? He's fine. Perfect answer. He has a beard. He should have underarm hair. Okay, let's do that. No signs, more easier. Okay. Epic. Beautiful. I'm just a normal fella, son. Don't know what, don't expect. There's a child in the house, sir. I want to make sure she's safe. All right. I'm going to go to sleep. We're going to do one more night of visitors. And then I'm going to wrap up the stream, methinks, because I don't want to go too late today. Me. Won't test the child? No, I trust her 100%. I trust that child 1 bajillion% because her house was also burnt down. That is a truther. And if she's a bad person, then so be it. She can steal me. She can steal my body too. Oh, kitty's in the bed. Good night. Wait, why did that...
Wait, oh, okay. Oh, where's my boy at? Where's my boy at? You bringing my boy home? Why people being weird that you have to test them? I mean, it's kind of like the whole thing, what was it? When you think of like apocalypse, like The Walking Dead, it's like, are you a walker or like, are you a zombie? Have you gotten bitten and people get defensive? I think it's just the whole hysteria around it, right? It's like, oh, you don't trust me? Then why'd you let me inside? No!
Good evening. I'm with Fema. We're running a routine.
Please don't take my child. No, I like the people I have. Fuck off.
We're running a routine inspection in your neighborhood. Don't worry, it won't take long.
When will you return the person you took?
Return? Oh, so our team's already been here. After screening, there's a mandatory quarantine period. They'll be staying with us for a while. After that, they'll be sent back from the quarantine zone.
Fine, if there's no other way. That is weird.
Don't worry, the procedures are demanding, yes. But we allow them to rest. Hello.
No! To my man! No! No! My hunter!
Once the tests are done, we'll tell you what to do next. If you are unable to immediately transfer a suspect visitor to quarantine zone, issue them a mandatory appearance slip.
I'm so sick of this! Received 1 FEMA notice, so if I think someone's a visitor, I can tell them. Hey, can I give this slip to this man?
So, you're still holed up in here, I see.
Put a shirt on.
What do you think of that guy? One in a suit.
I don't have to feel about him.
Well, I feel it all. Everything's been decided for us. A blessing, wouldn't you say? Or do you want to fix it all by yourself?
I'm doing what I can.
And what exactly can you do? Can you ward off death? Stop the floods, the fires, the decay. The only thing you can stop is a heartbeat. Listen. You alone?
I'm not alone.
Still scrambling to survive in this new world, are we? Why? Dogs rule the world now. Only dogs survive here. You understand what I mean? Yes, things will never go back to the way they were. Life changed. You're falling out of rhythm. Next time we meet, things will be interesting.
Dude, they took my fucking dude. Kitty. They took my guy. Tell this guy to kick rocks. Right in the nuts. You know, get your freak out. No, we respect it. We respect the hear me outs. It's just really funny. And I just think it's funny. Yeah, hold on. We gotta check the windows. I keep forgetting that. Ew, wait. Oh, FEMA officials inspecting the site of the recent massacre. They're taking all of the dead soldiers' equipment, weapons to prevent looting. Probably didn't expect the pale visitor to survive against a group of armed soldiers. Now there are a few more body bags. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, it's you again. Wonderful. The cat's with you. What to do with the one who brought it is for you to decide. Oh, the lady. How did you know about the cat? Why did you ask me to let someone with a cat in my home? How did you know? I see further than most. A gift was given. I don't see all, but you? I know what awaits further down the path you walk. Something terrible comes to meet you. Yeah, I just saw him. He's farsighted. You are not the cause. Yeah, you will feel its touch all the same. Perhaps they'll mention it on the radio. Will you listen? I listen to the radio every single morning, my man. Bro, he's spoiling the game. What am I supposed to do with that information? Nothing. I've already said too much. But for 2 days yonder, testing prohibits doom. Halt your scrutiny. Your scrutiny until the third sunrise. If you can do that, my guidance can continue. Maybe it'll bring you peace, or at least help you move on. Hope to see you soon. Can I let you in? I trust you. I trust you. Oh, what the fuck? What is that? Oh. Give me my fucking kombucha. Thank you. Here you go. Have a good day. Oh, I mean night. I'm still not used to that. Sick. I got my kombucha. I got my kombucha again. So I got this now. So can I, if I use this before I, is that the girl? Is that the little girl crying? Oh. I can't believe they took my man. I'm so upset. Damn! Hey! Hey, hey! You on the other side of the door? I hear your footsteps. Mind if I crash here for the night? Why are you so cheerful? There's enough anger out here already. Yeah, times are tough, but there's still so much worth fighting for. Crop top? Next generation are just the joy of life itself. If we keep telling ourselves it'll be okay, then hey, maybe things will get a little easier. So you want to lie to people? Let him in because of his swag. I do like the vibes. I mean, we could check him out. But we have a kid in the house. Hey, girly pop. There's plenty of reasons, but I can't tell you what should make you happy. What did you used to love doing before all this happened? Try to remember what brought you joy. Hey, my man's got a pipe. Is that a pipe? Is it a pipe? It's hard to see. I think it is. Hit the sleigh pose. Check his bits immediately. Glacial, come here. Can't allow ourselves to wallow in despair now more than ever. Yacht! Come on in. Delete that. Hope you remember what it was like to feel joy. What is it? Maybe then death won't be the only thing on your mind.
Slay your girly pop. Bust a hip and drop it to the club floor.
Wait, there's more people coming? I thought, oh, hey.
Hello there, dearie. Walking all the way here really took it out of me, let me tell you. Might I pop in and rest a minute?
You chose to specifically walk over here.
No, no, no.
Oh, God.
I didn't plan to come here, don't be silly. Yet fate has a habit of bringing us together. No meeting is a mistake, dearie. Since I'm here, that means my feet brought me here for a reason. My eyes landed on your house with purpose. As it was always meant to be, I assume.
Have a good lurk, Toast. I'm gonna be wrapping up shortly anyway. I don't follow. Do you need something? Could you keep walking? Do you need something, Grandma? Babushka?
What does anyone need, dearie? A roof over my head to share a story or two? To lie down and close my eyes peacefully?
Just caught the rappers. Wrinkly doesn't mean the candy ain't sweet.
To air, and air to breathe, I suppose.
Air to breathe? This sounds like a visitor thing.
I don't need much. I don't need for much. It's just really boring life all by one's lonesome is all. Nah, I'm good. I'm turned away everywhere I go. For my wings are clipped, yet I open my throat to sing. But they all turn to me eventually, even if they say they never will. Well, I don't hold grudges. I hope everyone who comes to me, even you, will find yourself in need someday, dearie. Who will you turn to then?
Are we done? Okay, we are done. All right. We're gonna sleep. Do a test on that guy. Hopefully, no one dies tonight. And then we're gonna save and wrap up the stream. Wait, I don't. Let me be freaky like that. All right. Okay, nobody died. Emergency broadcast.
Wildfires are now sweeping across forested regions. Ooh, experts believe abnormally high solar activity is to blame. Yeah, no shit. While the full scale of the disaster remains unclear, fire crews from nearby cities have been deployed to contain the blaze. Despite the fires, visitors continue to terrorize the nation. FEMA has announced a new identifying sign. Oh, yeah? Aura? We can check someone's aura? Damn! We can check someone's aura. Is your aura evil and fucked up? Dark patches. Okay. Stay calm and remain indoors during daylight hours. Up next, a word from our sponsors. Aura farming! I hate sleeping. Oh, oops. Okay. Radio. Radio killed the radio star. Oh. Oh! This is dispatch quick quarantine zones. Oh. Unit 32 reporting code 60 mass civilization casualties officers down. This is 28 code 451 requesting burn team for body disposal. Acknowledged. Initiating code 984. The city is cordoned off investigation. Stand by for reinforcements. We are. Wow. Okay, wait. So, what was that, the FEMA guy gave us a voucher for everything's gonna be okay. Hand over a FEMA. So if I think they are the intruder, I give them this. Still feeling cheerful? Not exactly cheerful, but I'm not falling apart either. We're still human. Still holding on. We're not making the storm any worse than it already is. And when it's all over, I think we'll be able to forgive each other for the things we've done. As long as there's compassion, there's humanity. Oh, it's glasses. Okay. That, you can see it a lot better. You with me? Let's aura farm. Should we do it like an aura? I don't believe, so no one died. I don't believe the chick who brought the cat is a visitor, and I'm still fine with the kid being the kid. But I guess we can do some tests. Go on if it helps you. Photo? Do we do it like a mole person would be? Hat and the glasses. Bright as there! Aura farm. Alrighty. Oh, good aura. Good chill aura. One more thing that'll remain after I'm gone. Why does he lose his... Oh. Why does he lose his hat when he sits down? That's funny. I guess... Let's go check on our girly. Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. I want my mommy. Hand over FEMA notice. No! How you holding up? Do you like it here? It's okay here. But I wish I was at home. When can I go home? Maybe... your house burned down. Maybe later. It's being renovated. Okay, so they're coming to get me soon then? And they'll take me to a new house? Or will they take me back to the same one? Are they making me a new room? Daddy's coming for me, right? You should stay here for now. I'm not going anywhere without Daddy. He's coming to get me, right? I saw him get up and leave. He was running away, but I saw him. Is there a chance? Is there a chance? Where's the cat? Can I aura farm the cat? Oh, okay. He's just sitting there. Let's aura farm. Say cheese. What is? I do not know. Time to try. Damn! Oh! Because she's a ballerina. So she used to be a ballerina. Oh, wow. Slay. Nobody tell me this. Caused by wonderful dance? Would scare me. Oh! Beauty. Beautiful!
I guess people can stay in the basement. I guess that's why we have the basement. Why is there a hole in the what is that from? Ew. Was that always there? Why is my house rotting? Can I aura farm you? Meow. I'll just pet you. He seems to like it, actually. Not as grumpy as you first thought. Looks like it's starting to get used to you. I wonder if the cat is able to tell us when there's a visitor. You know, maybe the cat can sense it, I would guess. No cigarette. Can I order cigarettes? That'd be funny. Cool. All right. I think that's where I'm going to call it, and then we'll have the next night coming up. I guess we could test someone else. Do we test the girl? I guess we could test her. Let's take a picture of you. What do you want to check? A photograph? I don't have any pictures of me. Will you show it to me after? Just like, demonic creature demon! Aww. Bisexual lighting. Anyway. No, that's sweet. Thanks. I don't like it. Please don't do it again. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I won't. All right. Save. Saves the game. This save persists even after your current playthrough ends. Interesting. All right. Delicious. And that's where we're gonna quit without saving. Oh, I guess I could. Whatever. I can order more. Ba-bing. Beautiful. Yo! I'm feeling so many things! Oh my gosh! I'm feeling so many things, bro. This game is fantastic. God. So many feelings. So many feelings! Alright. Sorry, I just checked my DMs from Iron. Damn! Okay. I guess I'll stay in this model because we're gonna wrap up anyway, so. That's fine! Crazy. Crazy! Alright. Dude, it's so good. I'm so happy. I can't wait to play this more. I'm gonna have to like try and play this on like a Sunday where we can just play this for like hours. This is like, it's so cool. It is so cool. All right, let me just get my music situated here. And then we'll head on over to the other screen. Pogger stream as always. Thank you. Thank you, Domo. I cannot wait to play more. Oh, I cannot wait. Cool. All right. Let me get some tunes here. Some like random, there we go, the tunes before. Thank you guys for chilling today. Very nice stream. I love these story streams where I can like do silly voices and whatnot. It's very fun that way. It is very fun. All right, let's just put on some small tunes here. And we can wrap it up as they say. Sick. All right. Let's go see who we can go raid. Stick around for the raid, you guys. You'll get some extra channel points when we raid out. Who is live? Let's go see. Who can we sell? Dude, this game almost got me crying. For real. Ugh. It's probably gonna make me cry, though. It probably will make me cry. I think we'll go raid a fellow friend. First of all, let me go see who's all live. I saw like one person who was live, and I'm like, ooh. But then let me see what other people are up to right now. Thanks for stream. Of course, you guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming to stream. I love streaming these games. I'm so happy I started this game, dude. I'm so happy. Yeah, we're gonna go raid Frosty tonight. Frosty, you may know them as the one of the Transformer VTubers. They also do streams in their Fursonas Fit as well. Frosty's a super cool friendo. They're playing some Fortnite. And they got drops on as well, so if you're into Fortnite and you want to get some exclusive Twitch drops, there's a bunch of stuff going on right now. And Frosty is doing a little Halloween Fortnite action, it looks like. Oh, they're not a Transformer right now, but that's one of their main Sonas. And they've got a cute, they're one of their, I think, Personas right now with a cute little witch hat on. They got a cool fit going on for Halloween. All right, what should our raid message be? Something about, oh, ad break. No, we're getting out of here before then. I guess we could do the Shark's Headed Sleigh. And we can do, let us in. With the little rose. Wait, that's cute. That's actually pretty good. Here, we'll do this. Yeah, we can do let us in or a check. Let us in. I like that. All right, we're gonna go raid Frosty Fiend tonight, who's playing some Fortnite with some friends. Frosty's stream is 18+. Please keep that in mind once we get over there. You can just get in there, say hi, and go. Don't stick around. Please respect those rules. Frosty's pronouns, I believe, are she, they. Let me just make sure. I believe it is. I think I saw that on their Blue Sky. Let me just double check. And then really quickly while I check, feel free to join the Discord. We're gonna be watching Paranorman tomorrow, about the same time as I started this stream. Here's my card if you want to check any YouTube VODs or any of my other socials, and my Blue Sky. But yeah, tomorrow's movie night. Movie night. Yeah, she, they. Awesome. All right, we're gonna go give Frosty some love because I believe Frosty raided us, I think, on the weekend. I think. Can't quite remember. Either way, I am always happy to go raid Frosty. They are a very cool creator. And they're playing some Fortnite. They're playing some freaking Fortnite. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today on a very extra spooky day as we started a new playthrough. I'm so excited to continue this game. See where it goes. I've been having a lot of fun doing the voices and being silly and feeling the feels. There's so many feels in this game. Wow. All right. Let's go give Frosty some love. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. Thank you for the raids, the subs, all that good shit. And I appreciate every single one of you. And I will see you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys on Sunday. That's going to be my next stream. But it's starting very early, which I'll announce in the Discord tomorrow. It's going to start at like noon, my time. So it'll be early. It'll be an early day, early bingo day. Keep that in mind, okay? Sunday will be early. It'll also be my last stream before TwitchCon. So last stream for about a week. Coming up. All right. Let's go give love to Frosty. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for movie time. And if I don't see you tomorrow, I will see you on Sunday for more spooky time. Honestly, I might want to play more of this game on Sunday. We'll see how I feel. All right. Good night, you guys. Let's go give Frosty some love. And please take care of y'all. Please take care of each other. And I'll see you guys next time. Good night. Good night.